Hello guys, I would like to introduce you to my latest final year project and the title is Video Sentiment Analysis. So before I am demonstrating how does my project works, let me first explain to you about what does it mean by video sentiment analysis. So I'm just going to read through the abstract. So video sentiment analysis is the use of natural language processing, text analysis, and computational linguistics to systematically identify, extract, quantify, and study affective states and subjective information to determine if an expression is positive, negative, or neutral. And in this project, we analyze the sentiments of user reviews who are currently on iPhone 7. So we can just skip on the literature review and then proceed to the methodology of how my program works, workflow of my program. Okay, so the first step would be the data collection, of course, and then it doesn't matter, so just skip it. And next step is the extracting audio file from the video file. Why? Because to transcribe the audio file to the spoken words of the audio file to text file, I'm using a Google Cloud Speech API, and the Google Cloud Speech API requesting an audio file in format of .wav, not any format of audio file, and of course not a video file. And then after I got the result from Google Cloud Speech API, I'm analyzing the text file using the Santi classifier library. So we go into the next step, which is sentiment classification. This is using the Santi classifier library. So this library is working like it has a database of Santi WordNet, and this database is full of words, and each word of the in the database is paired with a score, like a positive score and negative score. And then, for example, a word good has a positive score of 0.2 and a negative score of 0.0. So if there is a word good in the text file, so it means that it sums up the positive score of 0.2, and then it will work the same with the other words. Okay, and then finally, after summing up all the words in the text file, and then we I conclude the sentiment by comparing the positive score with the negative score. Okay, so I think it's too hard to understand if I just explaining like in the speaking. So let me just show you how does it works using my interface, which is a website interface, but it's not really online, it's just a local host. Okay, so I'm using the Python Flask to running my Python code and then connect it with the website, HTML codes and JavaScript, and yeah, everything CSS. Okay, so first thing is to run the Python Flask, and then finally after this we can get the local host of my HTML file. Okay, server is up, then just click on this one. So this is my interface to demonstrating. So let's just get started. So in here I'm using a drag and drop feature for files upload. Okay, so this is the sample videos of my my project when I was demonstrating it. Okay, and then these are all iPhone 7 review from YouTube. I downloaded all like 20 or more videos. Okay, for the demonstration purpose, let's just select this why you shouldn't buy the red iPhone 7 YouTube 3GP. Okay, and then just drag it here. So this is title of the files that has been uploaded, and then it's simple task for the user. Just click on the transcribe, analyze video, and just click OK. Okay, so this is the progress bar. It means that my Python codes is executing the codes and everything. Okay, so in this this one. Okay, sorry, it's this one. Yes, I need to close this one first. Stop. Yes, close. Okay, and this one is the file path that for the files that I uploaded to the interface. I need it because the the convert function from video file to audio file is in on the different Python code. So I need to pass the file to the another Python code. So I'm using the file path. Okay, so I just print it out so to make sure that the file has been successfully transferred. Okay, and then yeah, we start converting, and then this is the I'm printing out the progress. So this is if this output come out like MoviePy done, it means the MoviePy library has done its job to converting the video file into the audio file. Okay, and the next step would be like compile the transcribe. Okay, this transcribe function is just it's actually calling the Google Cloud Speech API to start the audio to text conversion. Okay, and then yeah, it's not taking a long time to be done, so audio to text conversion has been done. So the main problem, not the main problem, is the one that takes a long time to process is the sentiment classification process. This is the process. So this is a sentiment classifier library, and I already explained to you how does it works to comparing the checking each words of the text file of the in the text file into the database of the SentiWordNet. As you can see here is if the positive score is greater than negative score, the conclusion would be the video is a positive review, and else if positive score is equal to negative score, conclusion would be a neutral review. Else means a negative score greater than positive score, the conclusion would be it's a negative review. So for the time being, let's just wait until the process finish. Yeah, it takes about 3 to 4 minutes for this sentiment classification to generate the sentiment. Okay, now it has finished, the get score process has finished. Okay, so let's go back to the interface. Yeah, analyzing completed. So it's written that positive score 1.875, negative score 2.625, and the conclusion is a negative review. Yeah, because the negative score is greater than the positive score. So if you're wondering how this number came out, it's like I said before that each word in the text file, the spoken words of the speaker, contains like many words like in this background. Okay, so it's it's checking each word with the database, and each word in the database is paired with the score, positive score and negative score. So it's like checking all the words and then sum up all the scores, the positive score and the negative score. So this is all the sum up of the words, the spoken words. Okay, so the conclusion is it's a negative review, and then, yeah, if you don't trust me, you can just write this title and then paste it, copy this title and paste it in the YouTube, and then you can check it out by yourself. It's already obvious when you see the title, right? So it's a negative review. Okay, so yeah, this is the transcription of the video, of the spoken words in the video. It's not really that accurate, but I cannot really do anything about it since Google Cloud Speech API is the one who is transcribing the spoken words, and the problem is there is no punctuation marks here, and yeah, my the Santi classifier library is having a hard time to generate the sentiment since it considers this text as a one long sentence. Okay, so previously when I started working in the beginning of the project, I tried to copy from a copy a iPhone 7 review from Google. I mean, like the like blogspot, like the someone's blog or in the social media, and then I just paste in the text file and then try to generate the sentiment from the text file. But in that case, the text itself has correct punctuation marks full of dot, comma, and exclamation mark, and then question marks. So it only took me a few seconds to generate the sentiment, even though the text is long. But yeah, still, the sentiment classifier library can consider it as many short sentences. So it's giving it the easier task to process to generate the sentiment. Okay, and yeah, I think that's all for now. I will keep improving this. I mean, like, I still haven't figured it out the actual reasons why does for this demonstration it takes quite a long time to generate the sentiment. So maybe after I can update it, improve it to get the better processing time, or maybe I will upload another video. Okay, so thank you guys for your attention. See you later.